Let's put some heat under this cast iron here. We're going to cook some Grazianos and some ground beef. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I have these little pizza crusts. It says organic, I don't care about that. No, they're not very big. I didn't want a great big one. But it's only, it's 30 grams of carbs each. So I had a jar of sauce. I don't know what happened to it, but I do have this can. Now this is always was good sauce. This would be just fine. So I'm going to use some of this for the pizza, and I'm hungry as can be. So I'm going to make at least a little pizza here, probably one of those. I got pounded Grazianos, and I don't know how much of this for sure it will take. But if we don't need it all, we can freeze it. We don't have to use it all. So, and then I've got some 85 ground beef. So in this situation, I will not be adding the sauce to the meat. And I got my good old trusty stick. There. Yeah, I don't need both of them, so we'll put one of them in there. Keep it for later. Should be good till next weekend or something. So we get some meat going here. Italian cheese. And guess what I got? I have pineapple. I like pineapple on pizza. I know that's a sin to some folks. So we'll put some tomato sauce on this here pizza crust. That's probably good enough. Build us a pizza. So let's just go ahead and put some of this ground beef and Graziano mixture on there. We're going to have us a sausage pizza with a little bit of pineapple. The Italian organic seasoning. How about that? Hasn't even been opened. So let's get it open. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, she smells good. Let's get a little bit of that ground up. Let's get it ground up where she's got some flavor. There. Now we need some cheeser. Let's put some cheese on that puppy. Let's put some cheese on that puppy. And we're going to have pizza here in a few minutes. That's probably good enough. Okay, let's go ahead and put some pineapple on there. I like pineapple on pizza. I know some people don't like it. Some people say it's wrong, whatever. I say if you can stand it, you're eating it. You do whatever you want to do. Big one. Alright, we got kind of a mess on this thing right here. That's alright. I'm gonna wash my hands real quick. There's that. past 50.